Alright, welcome and welcome back again to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so just as I promised you guys that I will be giving you guys current affairs, post-utme, past and most recent and most valued questions. Alright, so I have come here again with another questions. Okay, so these questions I'm showing you guys here. You may likely see these questions. Okay, so the chances of seeing this question is 60%. All right, so that's the chances of seeing these questions. All right, so you have to pay attention from beginning to the end. I'm not saying the chances of seeing all of the questions. All right, so the chances of seeing all these some of these questions I'm putting out here is 60%, all right, if not 70%. Okay, so you need to work hard on your own, then back yourself up with this our question and answer. All right, so that at the end of the day you will help yourself and you will come out from this and you will score a very good score. So that's my prayer and that's what I wish all of you guys. Okay, so let's go to this first one on our list. Okay, we know you guys don't like long videos. Okay, so that's why we'll be rushing it. We don't waste time here. We always rush it a maximum of 10 minutes. Okay, so if we can use maximum of 10 minutes to achieve it, it will be very, very better and cool for us. Okay, so the question number one says, what was the name of the highest ruling body during General Babangida's rule? Okay, what was the name of the highest ruling body during General Babangida's rule? The first option says the Federal Executive Council. The B say presidency. The D say the National Council of State. The D said Armed Force Ruling Council. Of course, that's the correct option, D, which is Armed Forces Ruling Council. Okay, let's go to the next one, which says the European Union, which is EU, is an economic organization, Union of European Organization, Organization of European States, Association of Former British Colonies. So the correct option there is C, which is Organization of European States. Next one, which is third one, is which of the following is not an acceptable means of achieving democracy? Which of the following is not an acceptable means of achieving democracy? Option 1 says riot, B say recall, C say referendum, and D say initiative. The correct option there is riot, which is option A. Okay, so the next one now is a condition for judicial independence is the appointment of judges by the dash. A condition of judicial independence is the appointment of judges by the dash. A. Law Review Commission. B. Judicial Service Commission. C. The 1979 Constitution. D. Civil Service Commission. Alright, so the correct option there is option B, which is Judicial Service Commission. Alright, let's head to the next, number 5. It says a capitalist state is based on dash. Creating job opportunities, B, free trade, C, religion, D, dictatorship. So the correct option there is B, which is free trade. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one says, what was the primary purpose of the Sir Henry Williams? What was the primary purpose of the Sir Henry Willings Commission of Inquiry? What was the primary purpose of the Sir Henry Willings Commission of Inquiry? A. to make Lagos a British colony. B. To amalgamate northern and southern Nigeria. C. To allay the fears of minorities in Nigeria. D. To approve the independence of Nigeria. The correct option there is to allay the fears of minorities in Nigeria, which is the option C. Okay. Next one is number 7 is, under which of the following conditions can a Nigerian be deprived of his or her citizenship? Under which of the following conditions can a Nigerian be deprived of his or her citizenship? A. If married to a foreign national. B. If one holds a dual citizenship. C. If convicted of armed robbery. D. If one bosses the national flag. The correct option there is option C, which is if convicted of armed robbery. Okay. Okay, so the next question there is under question 8. All but one of these is not a tactic adopted by pressure group in the pursuit of their objective. All but one of these is not a tactic adopted by pressure groups in the pursuit of their objective. A. Lobbying. B. Propaganda. C. Assault. D. Boycott. The correct option there is assault, which is option C. Okay. Next one is question number 9. Question number 9 says, one of these was in existence before the outbreak of the Second World War. Right? So, of course, we have done it in the very first one. So, the first one is the Commonwealth of Nations. The second one is UNO. The C is the UAU. D is the League of Nations. Okay? Of course, the correct option is the League of Nations. That's the correct option. Option D is correct. Let's go to the next one. In a federal system, the center is weak. In a federal system, dash, the center is weak. There is unity in diversity. C. Plurality in abnormal. D. There is nothing like autonomous units. The correct option is B, which is there is unity in diversity, which is B, correct option. 11 there is rule of law refers to a situation in which rule of law refers to a situation in which dash. A. Lawyers are the rulers. B. The judiciary is independent. C. Laws are supreme. D. Parliament makes law. Okay, so the correct option there is the option C, which is laws are supreme. Okay, let's go to the last one on our list, which is Nigeria became a republic. Nigeria became a republic in which year? First one is October 1st, 1963. Second one is October 1st, 1960. Third one is May 29, 1999. D is May 1st, January 1st, 1966. So the correct option there is option A, which is October 1st, 1963. So this is the correct option. So I believe we have gotten all I have said from beginning of this video to the very last side of this video. Okay, so we have done so well. So if you understand and if you have gotten value from this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on bell notification. Okay, so if you don't know anything to say on the comment section, don't say thank you Brainybite on the comment section. All right, so because all of those things you are doing encourages me to do more. All right, where I'll be bringing more of those information like this for you guys. Okay, so I love you guys, and until I see you guys again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish each member of Brainybite subscriber. If you have not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe. Okay, so let me see you again in the continuation of this current affairs. Don't forget, I love you guys once more. Keep winning.